scheme by transforming education using open web learning. I believe this is the initiative of SCRT with Google and LF, and whereby our students, teachers and students would be exposed to, would be provided to the large knowledge available with the Google. We are the first state in the country to provide this facility. Madam, while concluding her speech, she said, if Minister has any suggestions, he should suggest. I believe I am getting an opportunity. Over here we have 6 centers. Of course, to start with, I felt 6 centers would be sufficient. 6 centers will cater to all 12 talukas. Geographically, they have been arranged properly also. But I believe there are only 2 in north, Sakri and Purvai, and in south, Kunda, Margam, Mashpa and Puchade. Some more centers need to be added in north. If possible, each taluka need to have one. I feel each taluka in days to come, see if it is possible. Each taluka needs to have one center. I am sure the way it has been planned, every computer teacher and one more teacher from each institution is being trained for this. All institutions will be covered by February or March, and it will be the responsibility of these 2 teachers to train the rest others in their institutions.